Ever wondered why your grandmother's recipe always comes out perfect? Or why your car's fuel lasts for a specific number of miles? Well, the secret lies in the magic of ratio and proportion. Imagine baking a cake. Your recipe calls for 2 cups of flour for every 1 cup of sugar. This is a ratio. It's a way of comparing quantities. In this case, the ratio of flour to sugar is 2:1. This doesn't mean you're only ever going to use 2 cups of flour and 1 cup of sugar. You could double the recipe using 4 cups of flour and 2 cups of sugar. The quantities have changed, but the ratio remains the same. The same principle applies to your car's fuel consumption. If your car runs 20 miles on 1 gallon of fuel, you can expect it to run 40 miles on 2 gallons. The ratio of miles to gallons remains constant, even though the actual numbers change. Now let's move on to proportions. A proportion is an equation that says 2 ratios are equal. For example, if you know your car gets 20 miles to a gallon and you have 5 gallons of fuel, you can calculate how far you can drive. The ratio of miles to gallons is 20:1, and you have 5 times that amount of fuel. Therefore, you can drive 100 miles. In a nutshell, ratios and proportions allow us to predict outcomes based on specific relationships. They're used in cooking, fuel consumption, map reading, and even in determining the price of goods in a supermarket. To summarize, remember that a ratio is a way of comparing 2 or more quantities, while a proportion is an equation that says 2 ratios are equal. These mathematical concepts are essential in our everyday lives, helping us understand and navigate the world around us. So the next time you're baking a cake or planning a road trip, remember the magic of ratio and proportion. They not only make our lives easier, but also a whole lot more predictable.